Good morning. Alex, what? Somebody doesn't want to be filmed today. What are you doing? Okay, open the door. There's good morning, Alex. Say hello to everyone. So today we're getting into this walk-in bathtub. Friday, I got some of the drain line finished. I got the water line started here. Got the shut-offs in. I'm gonna have to get underneath this floor. We have to get this landing out of here. Do a little bit of work underneath there, but most of the work's gonna be in the basement. We have to tap into the water lines and drain lines. So that's the plan for today. I'm not sure if we're gonna get water in this today, but if not late today, tomorrow for sure. So that's the plan. You ready? All right. Here we go. So what we have to do, we're gonna cut this 1/2-inch copper line. We're gonna put a shark bite T in to connect our pecs to.
I swear.
Now let's go.
Oh no. I don't want to get wet. I'm scared. Well, nothing's gonna happen. Okay, thank God.
So any flex? Put the bucket out.
Maybe that was a bad idea.
Huh? So we got the T on. And this is a handy little cutter, really for tight spaces. This goes right over the pipe and just spin it. It's real nice. So we're coming from here, and we're gonna go right. That's our hot water line. So we gotta get over there, and then we're gonna tap in with our cold water right here. Getting there.
Now I have a grip.
So Alex is gonna cut this one. And we're gonna put the T in, and we'll be all set to connect
Oh my
the
God.
PEX lines. How's it going, Alex?
My hand hurts.
You're now that sewer line's right next to you, so you're in an awkward position.
Oh, thanks a lot. Wait, this is the sewer line?
Yeah,
Oh, great.
you got it. Perfect. Unclamp it. Piece out of there. Awesome. Awesome. So let's stick this on now. All right, so we're gonna demonstrate. If anybody wants to know how to do these fittings for PEX, you're gonna put your clamp on first. This is a 90-degree fitting. Usually you can put these, they say about 1/8 to 1/4 inch from the end. And this is a special tool, it's a crimper. You see how the end is? You just put that on right there. And just Squeeze it. And there you go. Cramped, tight, and it's not gonna leak. Very simple. All right. So we're all done with the water lines. We checked for leaks. There's no leaks in the basement. Everything's working good. Go ahead, Alex. Nice pressure, and nice setup. Now we have to do the drain line, and that's not going to be that bad. It's a short run. All right, let's keep it going. So we're working on the drain line here. We got a few more pieces to put on, and then we'll be in the basement. I'm stuck underneath this crawl space. Where's that piece, Alex? I just had it. So we have one piece here to put on here. Then we're going to put the 90 on. And then we're going to shoot it right into the basement. And we'll be all set down here. All right. Let's keep it going. We're all set with the drain line. This is where it's coming from the garage. Coming in, 45 and down to the main trunk. So we don't have time to test the tub and fill it up tonight and try the jets. So we're going to do that all tomorrow morning. But this is all set to go. I'm just going to screw this cap on and it'll be good for tonight.
Good.
All right. Good morning, everyone. So we filled the tub up a little bit and we drained it. Everything drained nice. So we're going to fill it up the rest of the way and test out the water jets. It says to fill up 2 inches past these jets here. Once we do that, we'll turn on the jets and see how it works. Everything looks good so far.
It's good enough to fast.
It's going pretty quick. A lot of pressure there. It's 3/4 inch line, so it doesn't take long to fill up.
Good.
Almost there. A little more.
Good.
We should have a line like so you know exactly where to fill it. Pinch more.
I'm scared. I feel like the door's gonna burst open.
Alright, hit the button. That's beautiful. Awesome. Look at that. It's a success. Alright, turn it off. Hit it again. I gotta have fun too. Awesome job, Alex. So now that we have the bathtub all set, we have to get the vanity hooked up and run the water in the drain for the vanity. And it's a garage remodel, so we don't have a ton of space. So we're gonna get it positioned and start working on that next. All right. Hi. So Alex is she's chiseling the hole out there so we can go through the rest of the way with the whole bit. Whack it hard, right in the middle.
I'm gonna hit my hand.
You're
This
fine.
is not working.
Let me see.
That's not done thing yet.
Go this way.
This way?
With the grain.
Like this?
No.
What do you mean?
Start right there and go across. Start right
Okay.
there, okay? Okay, alright, now move over the other side now. You'll split it.
Yeah, that's just split.
Split? No.
Not really.
So we have the 2 holes drilled for the hot and water lines. She's working on the drain line.
It's not splitting.
No?
No.
Let me take a look at it.
Yeah.
Here.
Should I do in the middle? Yeah.
Hey. That's hard.
Told you.
2x4.
Mm-hmm.
Just gotta get a little bit, that's all. There we go. What the heck's that? It's a knot in it. See that?
Oh my gosh.
That's why it's so hard. Here, let me get my knee pad. My knees are killing me. And a nail. That's why.
Oh my gosh.
Yep, gotta be right where I gotta do stuff. Unbelievable. Look at that.
That's a
Catch
big
that. If I can catch that. Look at that. Got it. That might be a nail right now. It doesn't seem like a nail. That should be good to get us the rest of the way. There we go. Alright, so we're all through for the drain and water lines. And now I have to get underneath there again, which I think you should go underneath this time.
I will.
Yeah.
Here we go.
So always turn the clamp so you can crimp it.
What do you mean?
So it's the easiest way to crimp it. If this is in the way, then just turn the clamp a little bit this way.
Okay.
If you want to make it, you want to position the clamp in the easiest position
Well, I probably won't even
so you
be
can
able
get
to
that in there to do
I
it.
probably won't be able to do it.
Well, try.
I've already tried.
Try.
Oh yeah. Oh no. I can't. It's.
Come on.
Oh crap.
Make sure it doesn't move too far down.
Ooh. Very cute. Is that good?
Yeah, go up a little more. It's fun too hard. That's good.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? Can you hold?
Right there.
Oh no, you won't even be able to hold.
Put it against there like
Okay.
that. That may help.
There's really no way.
Come on. Yeah, you're doing it.
How much more?
All the way.
Down?
All the way. Keep going.
Oh my
Want
god.
to stand up? It's easy. You got it. Look at that.
Okay.
Perfect.
That was an arm workout.
Awesome.
Yay.
The more you do it, the better you'll get at it.
Is it good? How far it is?
Perfect.
You cut this crooked. You cut that.
That's fine.
Oh, where is it?
That pipe looks, the hot pipe looks orange.
It does on the camera?
Yeah.
There's about good?
Yep.
Okay,
About a 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch. You can come up more.
More?
Yeah, a little more.
What's slanted? So on your side. See how it's on your side and my side it's
Yeah, just
different?
come up more. Right there. Where's your... Okay.
See, it's gonna look different
That's all
on the
right.
side.
Well, this is in good all the way. Okay.
Okay. Good still?
Yep. Go ahead. Squeeze.
Stop.
Got it.
Oh my god. This thing is so hard to do. Okay.
You did it. Perfect. Awesome job, Alex.
That was easy.
Good job. Yeah, just pushing in. So we're almost set with this. Our drain's in. Still have to do a lot of work underneath the floor and in the basement. But Alex is putting the shut-offs on right now.
Can I put it underneath so...
Whatever is the easiest way that you can crimp it with the tool. That's the way you want to position it. As long as it's an 1/8 to 1/4 inch from the end.
Does that look like it's far enough? Or is it too close?
That's good. That's good.
Where's it been?
Here, you're just gonna move your
Well,
you're going from underneath?
Yeah.
Wouldn't it be easier to go from the top?
Not really.
Alright, do it the way you want.
Can you put it underneath then?
Huh? Oh. You want it underneath?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm messing everything up on you.
You are.
So sorry.
No, you're not.
I'll hold it for you. Do it. You got it.
Oh my gosh.
Come on.
Why did they make this so hard? Oh, hell no.
You can do it.
I don't think I can do it.
Okay, well, I'll finish it. Just start. I can finish it for you. I think. Looks good.
It kind of moved back.
That's all right. That's fine. That's fine. We're all set with our supply lines and our drain. So now I have to go underneath the crawl space and do the rest of the work and then into the basement. All right, let's keep it going. Okay, so we're tapping into this water line that's going to the bathtub. Just put a T in here and we have to go over right there. So I have to cut these and come straight out and 90 it over to here. Pretty easy run. But I'm underneath this crawl space, so just got the toilets to take care of and we will be done. No more going in this. All right, let's keep it going. So we're almost finished with the drain. We got our water lines all set on hangers. We got one more piece to tie in to the drain that's going into the basement right there. So I have to glue this 90 for the short length here. We had to put that T in. Alex is cutting the piece right now. And then I can get the heck out of here. So we're all set. Everything's working nice. No leaks. Beautiful. Alright, so today we're working on toilets. We have 2 toilets to hook up. I'm in the basement right now and I'm hooking up this 3-inch line. And that'll be it for all the plumbing for the bathroom. So I have a little bit more to do down here. Then it's going to be underneath the crawl space. And then 1 water line. And we'll have both toilets running. So a little bit more. Alright, let's keep it going. Alright, we're all set. Bathtub, sink, and toilets are all working. No leaks. And I don't have to get underneath there anymore. Thank God. Good to go. Right, Alex? Good job.